Hello everyone, welcome to Barbara 2020 and this is Vishnu. I hope everybody was eager to know what topic is gonna be next time and what he's going to discuss in next video, and today I'm back with a new subject, a new topic, and I hope everyone's going to enjoy that. And today we are gonna talk about rum. Most of us we do love rum, most of us we don't, because we all have different taste profiles and we enjoy a particular thing only. But trust me, there are a lot of rum lovers in the world and they do enjoy it with regular basis, or they don't prefer anything else apart from rum when it comes to the enjoyment. So let's start our topic today, rum. We all know there are different types of rums, but it isn't really called types, it's called grades, and there are different grades of the rums, and each has a different variety, different characteristic, a different appearance, and all of these things differentiate different rums from each other. So let's start. So the first grade of the rum is a dark rum. Dark rum means it can be red, it can be brown, it can be black, which has a really dark color and which looks like heavy bodied rum. So these kind of rums are aged in the barrels for long. These barrels are heavily charred from inside, and they let they let rum to sit there for a really long time to achieve that color, and it is made up of a molasses or caramelized sugar. The dark rums are mostly made up of molasses or caramelized sugar, and to give them a strong flavor and hints of spice, they age this rum in charred oak barrels for a really long time. These kind of rums are mostly from Jamaica or Haiti, and there are many lovers of this kind of rum, which is dark in color. Our second grade of the rum is flavored rum, and flavored rum is made by infusing the flavor in the rum. This infusion happens when the fermentation is complete, and they infuse this rum with the flavors to achieve that particular flavor in the rum to make the rum flavorful. Flavored rums are 80 proof, 40 alcohol by volume, and there are many chemicals are used in this rum to stimulate the flavor. So flavored rums are nothing but infused rums with the flavors to achieve that flavor. So guys, our third grade of the rum is gold rum. This rum is called amber rum also. This rum is aged in oak barrels. That's how it gets its color. And this is more flavorful and stronger than light rum. It's medium bodies, and of course it is aged. So the gold rum is amber rum and more flavorful. Our fourth grade of the rum is light rum or the silver rum. A best example you can say is Bacardi. So light rum is filtered after aging to remove the color from rum. This rum is very popular in the bartenders or the mixologists because it has a lesser flavor, so it is good to mix and make the cocktails. Majority of rums means majority of light rums comes from Puerto Rico, and it has a really mild flavor. That's why it is popular for mixing. Our fifth grade of the rum is overproof rums. Overproof itself says this rum is very strong. Means normally rums has 40 alcohol by volume, but this one is more than 40 alcohol by volume. Means 80 proof or more. The prime example of this kind of rums is Bacardi 151 or Pittori. Some rums has 70% alcohol by volume. Means you can imagine 140 proof, and this alcohol is very strong, and I don't encourage bartender or mixologist to use this rum to make cocktails because the cocktail is gonna be extremely strong, and that's where I must say drink responsibly. Our sixth grade of the rum is premium rums. Premium means luxury. These rums are categorized in the category of the cognac or Scotch whiskies. These rums are very costly and contains more flavor, more character. Normally premium rums are consumed on the rocks or neat to enjoy the flavor and the character in the rum. The prime example of this kind of rums are Don Papa, the Real McCoy, or the Diplomatico. Diplomatico is also very popular premium rum, and uh, enjoying this kind of rums is not everybody's cup of tea. Now let's talk about our seventh grade. Our seventh grade of the rum is spice rum. What they do is while making the rum, they add spices into it. The spices like cinnamon, cardamom, pepper, then anise seed, and after adding them, the rum achieves the spicy flavor. The spice rum is a bit darker in color and more flavorful, of course, spicy flavor. And the prime example I must say is uh, Captain Morgan spice rum. Uh, Most of the people enjoy that rum very much, and it's really nice, and it is like a different experience in the rum. So I must say you should try it if you like rum. So I've given you the information of the seven main grades of the rums. Now there are some products which are made similar like rum, and these products are not really popular, but it is very well known in where it is made. So let's discuss about it. So the first style of rum is cachaca. It is from Brazil, and we all know that it is coconut flavored. And there is one popular cocktail which is made up by using cachaça. Any guesses? Caipirinha. Caipirinha is very popular cocktail made by using cachaça, and I must say the cachaça is not rum. It is a style of rum made in Brazil. The second one is Mama Johanna. I know that you never heard about it. It is very popular in Dominican Republic. It is concocted by allowing rum, red wine, herbs, the piece of tree bark to sit in the bottle, with honey for limited time of period, and that's how this Mama Johanna is made. This Mama Johanna tastes like port wine. The best I can describe is port wine. It is a strong alcohol, looks like port wine also. The third one is Charanda, Charanda. It's very popular in Mexico. It is another style of rum, means the product which is made similar to rum. They don't really call it rum, but that's why they call it Charanda. I don't know what is the history behind the name Sharonda, but it's really a similar product like rum. And the fourth one is clairini. Clairini is very popular in Haiti. It is also a product which is made similar to rum, and it's really very popular in Haiti. So that is all, guys, today. I hope this information was really informative to you. I discussed different types of rums, that is different grades of rums and similar product to rums. And let's meet next time with a new product, a new topic. Until then, thank you very much and have a good day ahead.